Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy. This is Shashikant Badak, your geography teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the size of India, chapter 1, grade 9 CBSE. In previous video we have discussed about the size or shape of India, our earth, then latitudes, longitudes and extent, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. In this video we are going to discuss about the size of India. See students, India has 38 million square kilometer geographical area. In terms of, we can say 32,87,263 square kilometer. Then if we compare to the words, India has 2.4% of world's geographical area. As you can see here I have drawn India's map. So it covers 2.4% as compared to the words को अगर compare करेंगे तो इंडिया के हिस्से में 2.4% land आता है. Then come to the next point, that is India is the 7th largest country in term of geographical area. Here is the 7th largest. And see here the first largest country is Russia, then followed by here Canada, second one is the Canada, USA, then China, Brazil and Australia. We'll see with the help of globe, you can see the proper location of these largest country. First of all, you can see here is Russia, a larger country in the world, followed by second, you can see here is the Canada, second largest, third one is the USA, then again come to Asian continents, China, then Brazil, here is the Brazil, and after the Brazil the Australia, here we are having Australia, and the fourth largest country is India. Okay, so you can remember RCUCBA. R for Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and 7 is our India. Okay, just we can consider the borders. So India having the 15,200 kilometers land borders, means from here Gujarat to here Jammu and Kashmir, and here it's 15,200 kilometers, whereas India having coastal borders is 7,516.6 kilometers, including islands. Andaman and Nicobar, those lies here, the Andaman and Nicobar lies in Bay of Bengal, and here's the Lakshadweep Island lies in Arabian Ocean. So including islands, India having 7,516.6 kilometer coastline. The next point is India bounded by the Jungfrau Mountain. You can see here is Himalayan mountain, lies in the north direction, north parts of India. Then here you can see Arabian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Okay, we move to the next point, that is the north and south distance, 3,214 kilometer, north to south. Yeah, 3,214 kilometer, and east to west 2,933, east to west 2,933 kilometer, means from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. It's 2,933 kilometer distance. The next important point is IST, that is Indian Standard Time, which passes through the middle parts of India, having 82°30' east. It's considered as a Indian Standard Time. See student, here we have seen in first video, here our longitudinal extent is 68°7' east to here Arunachal Pradesh, 97°25' east, means approximately 30 degrees का यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस है. तो 30 डिग्रीज का डिस्टेंस यहाँ पे लैगिंग करता है 2 आवर्स में. वो कैसे, मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. सी स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी कन्वर्ट hours into the minutes, so you know very well Earth takes 24 hours to one rotation. So we convert this hour into the minutes, so we'll get 1440 minutes. If we divide it into 360, then we'll get the 4. It means अर्थ को एक लैटिट्यूड कवर करने के लिए 4 मिनट्स लगता है. तो उस हिसाब से यू कैन सी 14 डिग्रीज को 60 मिनट मीन्स 1 आवर्स और 13 डिग्री को 120 मिनट्स और 2 आवर्स. सो ये 2 आवर्स का यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस होता है. मतलब अरुणाचल प्रदेश में 2 घंटे पहले सूरज यहाँ पे ये होगा, राइज होगा, और 2 घंटे बाद में. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस है ये मैनेज करने के लिए वी हैव कंसिडर हियर 82°30' ईस्ट इज द आवर स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन, और उसी के हिसाब से पूरे इंडिया का टाइम सेट होता है. एंड विच इज पासेस थ्रू मिर्जापुर इन उत्तर प्रदेश. सो टुडे व्हाट वी लर्न, we have learned the total area 3.28 million square meter, or we can say the 32,87,263 kilometer. Then India has 2.4% of world's geographical area. It's the 7th largest country. Then land border is 15,200 kilometer, whereas the coastal border is 7,516.6 kilometer, including islands. Then at the north side we are having Fold Mountain, Himalaya. Then here is the Arabian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean at the south direction. Then we have seen the north to south distance, it's to 3,214 kilometer, east to west 2,933 kilometers. And we also discuss about the IST, that is Indian Standard Time. Thank you very much.